Today we're changing the battery in a LiftMaster 971LM garage door remote. This is a one-button Security Plus remote, commonly used with LiftMaster garage door openers. To start, remove the visor clip from the back of the remote. Now look along the side of the remote housing. You'll see small grooves where the two pieces of the remote come together. Take the visor clip, insert it into the groove, and gently start twisting. You should see the remote housing begin to unclip. Work your way around the remote, gently twisting until the two pieces of the housing separate. Once the remote is open, you'll see the battery right away. For this battery change, you will need one CR2032 coin battery. To remove the old battery, you can use the visor clip to gently push it out of the battery holder. It should pop out without much force. Now take your new CR2032 battery. Insert the battery with the negative side facing down and press it into place until it clips in securely. Once the new battery is installed, line up the two pieces of the remote housing. Press them back together until you hear the housing click shut. Now reinstall the visor clip. Test the remote to make sure it works. And that's it. The battery change on the LiftMaster 971LM remote is complete.